What year was the Ford Model T first mass-produced? A. 1905. B. 1908. C. 1912. D. 1915. The correct answer is B. 1908th year. Which company produced the iconic Beetle? A. Ford. B. Renault. C. Volkswagen. D. Fiat. The correct answer is C. Volkswagen. What car is often referred to as the first muscle car? A. Dodge Charger. B. Ford Mustang. C. Pontiac GTO. D. Chevrolet Camaro. The correct answer is C. Pontiac GTO. Which country is home to the car brand Jaguar? A. USA. B. United Kingdom. C. Germany. D. Italy. The correct answer is B. United Kingdom. The DeLorean DMC-12 was featured in which movie franchise? A. Back to the Future. B. Ghostbusters. C. Indiana Jones. D. The Terminator. The correct answer is A. Back to the Future. What year did the Chevrolet Corvette first appear? A. 1950. B. 1953. C. 1956. D. 1960. The correct answer is B. 1903. Which company made the 1960s Mini Cooper? A. Morris. B. Austin. C. British Leyland. D. BMW. The correct answer is A. Morris. Which Ferrari model became iconic in the 1980s TV show Miami Vice? A. 308 GTS. B. 250 GTO. C. Testarossa. D. Dino 246 GT. The correct answer is C. Testarossa. What was the luxury car brand of Chrysler? A. Packard. B. Imperial. C. Hudson. D. Lincoln. The correct answer is B. Imperial. The Citroën DS is known for what technological innovation? A. Electric engine. B. Rotary engine. C. Hydropneumatic suspension. D. ABS brakes. The correct answer is C. Hydropneumatic suspension.